Hey there! Have you ever wondered what to do with all those pumpkin seeds when carving your favorite Halloween jack-o'-lantern? Well, today I'm here to spill the beans, or rather, the seeds on all the incredible benefits and lesser-known facts about pumpkin seeds. Let us know in the comments what you're doing with those seeds every time. Did you know that these tiny powerhouses are not only delicious but also super nutritious? That's right. Let's start with some mind-blowing benefits. Firstly, pumpkin seeds are packed with essential nutrients like protein, iron, magnesium, and zinc. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system, promoting heart health, boosting energy levels, and even promoting better sleep. But wait, there's more. Pumpkin seeds are incredibly versatile in the kitchen too. You can toast them for a quick and easy snack, add them to your favorite trail mix for an extra crunch, or even incorporate them into your baking recipes for a tasty twist. Pumpkin seed butter, anyone? Trust me, it's delicious. Now, let's dive into some interesting facts about pumpkin seeds that not many people know about. Did you know that pumpkin seeds can actually help in fighting off those darned parasites? It's true. Pumpkin seeds contain a compound called cucurbitacin, which has shown antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties. And here's another fascinating tidbit. Pumpkin seeds can be a natural mood booster. They contain an amino acid called tryptophan, which the body converts into serotonin, the feel-good hormone. So next time you're feeling down, grab a handful of pumpkin seeds and let nature work its magic. To make the most of these amazing benefits, it's important to use pumpkin seeds correctly. The best way to enjoy their nutritional goodness is to consume them raw or roasted. You can easily roast them at home by spreading them on a baking sheet and popping them into a preheated oven for about 10-15 minutes. It's that simple. So, whether you're looking for a healthy snack, a flavor enhancer, or a natural solution to certain health issues, pumpkin seeds have got you covered. They truly are a superfood hiding in plain sight. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the marvelous world of pumpkin seeds. Now you have all the ins and outs of their benefits, how to use them, and a few surprising facts. So go ahead and embrace the power of pumpkin seeds. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts and mouth-watering recipes here on our channel. Until then, keep snacking smart and keep shining bright.